Displaced persons IDPs are taking refuge at Lumding Higher Secondary School Relief Camp and Kodompokpi Sports Complex Relief Camp in Thoubal district have warned of leaving their relief camps if the government does not provide ration money instead of rations within 3 days. The IDPs were staging a sit-in in front of Kodompokpi Sports Complex Relief Camp, shouting various slogans which include "Treat us equally" with the IDPs in Imphal East and Imphal West districts, translate the assurance given by Deputy Commissioner into action, and allow us to resettle in our own place. Speaking on the sidelines, an IDP named Ning Thokjam Ango decried the failure of the Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal to provide ration money to the IDPs in place of rations from this month onwards, despite his assurance in the past. She went on to state that providing ration money will be more helpful in meeting their daily requirements.
Relief Committee amadi aikogi IDP gi mute sing kharaga unaraga wari saba matamda disina aikogi awaba si yengbiraga cheng hawai sarkar na piri base orani nakogi par pitta nongmada mi magi pasam sama sabiraga nakoina kaithen kajaro hairapadi aikogi IDP mayam harauduna October gi date 1 dagi sarasi aduga sakriba aikogi September gi walauruba sarkharasigi aikoi cheng chak lausi jarure aduna cheng chak ase loiraba matung October gi date 1 dagi saba horani haira takirapadi aikoi harau laaga aikogi leiriba IDP mayamda aikoina harau tayamba bisibu thagat wai phongro khaba matunda ikhang khangaudana October gi tang ahumda athuba emergency meeting call leire hairaga tawbiraga aikoibu adugi chakthung ado piba ngamaroi mathang thagi date 1 dagi sarani ana hairapadi aikoigi pendraba IDP singna tawbani masi manungda kari leibagi no disina IS officer amana thambigi ba wafam masibu ona tainabada awunba amma tawraga wari ngangjara pase aikoi IDP singi marata yamna nungaijate chaktu thongaga thumda tolaga saraga su isa semauge ana ye gingjage ana thamjabani masida disina aise aikoi gidu pai leite thangwan sida yaragadi yare yadragadi noi tawninga taw haibadagi aikoi khoisaunarba IDP mayam sida thoroga soro sida process tawbani ngasigi mufamasi.
Meanwhile, an IDP named Leishangthem Tamen from Moreh Ward number 7 lamented that the government has gradually ignored the plights and problems of the IDPs with the passage of time. She also highlighted their grievances, stating that they do not have money to even afford school fees for their children and basic health care.
Aikoi pamdre aikoi da aikoi ye chakthung haibadi aikoi da paisa oina sabiduna aikoi bu kachen kahan diu adu natragadi aikoi Lumding Higher Secondary School da hangiba lilikiam amadi Kodompokpi da leiba lilikiam anina aikoi makan makha kaya ge aikoi khongjang changchilakani